In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort dates in Google Sheets the right way. Let's get started by opening your Google Sheets document and selecting the column that contains the dates you want to sort. Click anywhere within that date column, or drag to highlight the entire column if you want to be explicit. This selection tells Sheets which part of your data you're focusing on, so the sort applies exactly where you expect. Next, head up to the top toolbar and click on the Data menu. This is where all of Google Sheets' sorting and organizing tools live. From here, you'll decide whether you want to sort just the dates you've selected or the entire sheet that those dates belong to. If you only want to reorder the dates within your selected range while keeping the rest of the sheet untouched, choose Sort Range. This is useful when your dates are in a standalone list, or when you're working in a section that doesn't need to drag along other columns. If your dates are part of a full table and you want all related rows to move with them, names, amounts, notes, everything, choose Sort Sheet. Sorting the sheet ensures the entire row of data follows the date, keeping your information aligned. When the sorting options appear, check the box that says Data has header row if your column includes a label like Date at the top. This prevents the header from being treated like a date and sorted into the middle of your data. If you don't have a header, leave that unchecked. Now choose the order you want. Select Sort A. Z to arrange dates from oldest to newest, perfect for building timelines or reviewing history. Choose Sort Z. A to go from newest to oldest, which is great when you want the most recent entries at the top. Once the sort runs, take a moment to review the rearranged rows. Scan a few entries to confirm the dates move in the order you intended, and make sure the corresponding data, like names, categories, or amounts, stayed with the right dates. If anything looks off, it often means some cells weren't recognized as real dates. Mixed date formats or text-looking dates can cause that. Consistency is key. All entries should be true dates, not text. That's it. By selecting the right scope, confirming a header if you have one, choosing the proper order, and giving everything a quick review, you'll keep your data organized and accurate every time you sort dates in Google Sheets.